what I can reflect on is himself as I see him, and also the partner. Here, myself, also reflect on what the partner is now. I never could make it. So, I've been able to do that. I shot back this morning, thinking that, get the message that he knew. We had lunch at midday, so I turned it up after midday, and it was still cooking. But, look, hands and legs to wherever I got. So I decided to quickly do something. It took me a couple of days, or a day and a half, but the rest of the few weeks I put me on for a bit of timber. So I readily went to my brother's here and I can have that. But this timber here, this marker is actually hidden. Not hidden, actually it's a red filter, this one.
Oh.
So the red filter is more, you also get the white filter. But the white is more softer, the red is more solid. And a bit of weight on it as well. You use this one here also for weaponry. It's better than the lighter filter. They can break easily. But if you got a mighty or a matai, then that's the thing one you want. Or puriri. But anyway, I don't know much about his upbringing when he was in his service. Like I said, I've been away from here for quite a few years, but so I started to reflect on how I knew him when I met him, and it was all about horses, chasing them around, and us chasing them out of our place. Who's those bloody horses? I think they're Shannon's or somebody else's. Yeah, it was all good. But we sort of got together a lot more over only a year, when we started. We knew one another. I knew him, but I didn't have a relationship with him, basically. But mum and dad is what I reflected on. But not only that, it's all about whānau, hapu. It's all about that, where his connections are. So in the centre here is all about his superman. Whoever he wants to remind himself of during those years. Just where his lines come from. I come from many myself. Ngāti Pahoa, Taitanga Māraki, Ngāti Wakarara, and Ngāriki Kaputai, and also Ngāti Kahungu. See, I can reflect a lot of those shepherders on here and use that wherever I go. On each side is also the families of his mum and also his dad's side. There's this quarter design just represent that realm of youth and growing up over the years. And in this case, it's got a niho tanipai. But they actually call it tatara akaya or tatara akai design, that one. But which basically reflects on your you have many or lots of something. Would it be skills? Would it be family? Would it be love? It's all that. It reflects a lot of that. But also you see that design in the wharakai, and it reflects that all that a lot of kai, food, stuff like that. The niho taniwha tatara akaya or tatara akai, this side reflects the dad's side. We'll jump on the same thing, tatara akai, but this is a kape design. But the rori, but the notches here are kape notch, which is a half circle. And I relate that to being a wahine type. And they are the curvilineans, or the design, where the tane is more the middle taniwha design. So that's, again, mum and dad, mum, bringing him up through his years. Each one can represent the years that you were brought up in, from birth right up to where you are now. 40. I haven't counted them, so I don't know if they're 40 but it'll still continue over the years anyway. And this is one that you can use. But also, when I met Shannon, it was that embrace, the love that he showed, not only towards myself, but also towards the farmer as well. He'll do, whatever he wants to do, and what he does. To me, that's what I see. And so you got the rapa, the two arms, fingers, which embraces all that. So that's basically, it has more. One story here can do say a million things. Another story can say a million things. Like I said, this is just in terms of whakairo. When I'm not a speaker of it or te reo, but this is how I speak. It's true. The whakairo, because when they say once there were, before the writing was the visual, and there was the carving. So I said, you don't call it all. I said, I call it all this way. I may not speak it, but it's all you should learn how to speak Māori. I said, well, if you know it, then you should know what these are. You should know what these are. And when people say, well, go to the Malay, what's that Malay is all about? It's in the carvings. The stories and the carvings. Right from the waharo, right through to the whare tipuna, everything's there. So if you want to know about the place, it's all written like this. When our tipunas writ their signatures, especially when you look at the Treaty of Waitangi, they just put it like that. The others there writing. They all came through because they translated into how English was. K's, A, E, or U, in that writing was not our writing. They only heard what they, and they sort of, it looks sounds like an A. And that's how the reo came about, in terms of the letters of the reo. But this is the reo here, the originals, or if you want to know anything about it, it's all written in here. So you can actually pick this up and add more and more and more kōrero to it, because it has a lot of hidden ones as well. But anyway, 40, I've never done a 41 before. I don't know how do you do look at a 41. Okay. But 21, I can understand.
Annie Jenny came with me.
To present this to you, my brother. Because he asked for it. I said, I'll see what I could do. And so I don't dive straight into it. It took a couple of weeks before things. And when you're in the zone of it, then you start, everything sort of falls out that way. I don't go straight into it. I just work it the way I feel. And so this one here, I wish I had, this is a red ribbon. I mean, it's quite then when I opened up the cuts to it, I go, oh, I got a red ribbon in this one. I didn't know it straight away. Just one of the panels my brother had. I said, I'm going to print some more when he goes. You know what?
Kawe wini kawa wana ka tsu ki te rangi ue ki. Whano, whana, haramai te toki. Haimie, hui taiki.
Not Holland. I wanted to reach 50, that's why I asked for it. When I get to 50, I'll ask for it. Thank you, Holland. Thank you.